Hello YouTubers and welcome to Whiskey City Overland. We're three friends that were born and raised in the small town of Lawrenceburg, Indiana, otherwise known as Whiskey City. Join me and the crew as we hit the back roads out to the wild unknown. We're leaving the city behind and headed for the freedom that comes with the open trail. We'll have epic builds, campfires, gear reviews, and lots of tire spinning mud, so hit subscribe and follow along where there are no wrong turns. Welcome to Whiskey City Overland.
All right, well, I guess we're just winging it.
Wing it.
Down. Wing it. All right, here we go.
So do we need to
I drive truck.
I drive the truck.
I like to go fast.
I like to go off the road. Welcome to Whiskey City Overland. I'm James. That's when you go.
Oh, I'm Jason.
And I'm Blake.
Cut!
And I like to party.
All right, welcome to Whiskey City Overland. I am James.
And I'm Jason.
And I'm Blake.
And now
I'm not sure what to do with my hands. You can pretty much just put them down by your side.
That's right.
Yep.
welcome to Whiskey City Overland. I'm James.
And I'm Jason.
And I'm Blake.
And we are bringing you a brand new channel for all of you Overland and off-road fans out there, dedicated to you. We do this because we love it. It's a lot of fun. We want to show you how to get out there and Overland too and do it on a budget. We're not rolling $100,000 off-road rigs here with fancy campers and stuff. Most of our stuff is from Amazon, Facebook, eBay, Temu. We make it happen, right? So you can get out there too, and you don't need all the fancy stuff. I don't even have a rooftop tent yet, although Blake and I are about to remedy that because of a Facebook find. But yeah, so follow along. Our first big adventure here, we're going through the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway through Kentucky, and we hope to branch out from there. Head out west someday. We'll see what the future brings.
We were born and raised in the small town of Lawrenceburg, Indiana, which sits on the Ohio River over by Cincinnati. It's home of the Lawrenceburg Speedway, and it's home to the old Shenley Distillery and the old Seagram's Distillery, which is now MGP, and it's where we get the name Whiskey City. We hope that you enjoy this channel and our content. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining Whiskey City Overland. Now for our first episode to the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway. Here we go. All right, we got everybody set up at Callie's campground. We're gonna head up to Spa Creek. We're gonna go up Spa and down Pumpkin, and then we'll figure out where we're going from there.
You're good, dude. Just keep going.
Hard passenger forward. You'll be fine. There you go. Straighten up. There you go.
4 low.
I just put it right in. You should have bought you a Nissan.
Here's where we come to one of the first decent size obstacles, and there are multiple different lines here, and some of them look like they're pretty deep. So we opted for the first line, which did have a little bit of a drop into it, but the bottom looks solid, and it actually looks like they've put some gravel down here to help. But Jason and I both hit our bumpers. The only reason Blake didn't is because he doesn't have one. So this part right here has got a little bit of a drop. Right here is where Jason damages his trailer plug, which apparently didn't work, so it's not a big deal. But this is probably the first significant obstacle that you come through. But even with a stock truck, you can get through here. Blake's truck is stock. It's actually sitting lower than it should because the springs are flat. Obviously, it doesn't have a bumper. But you can get through this. And probably in two-wheel drive, to be honest. The bottom's pretty solid on all these mud holes on Spa Creek, except for maybe the ones at the top, which we'll get to.
Straight. Yeah, you're fine. It's gonna do it again. Yep, keep going. Ooh. Keep going forward. Keep coming forward. Keep coming. Keep coming. Ooh. Keep going. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Straighten up and back up. Straight back. Little passenger. There you go. All right. Now Come back forward. Passenger. There you go. Straighten out. What's his other side look like? Okay. Piece of cake.
After coming out of the creek, you start to take the uphill drive to leave Spa Creek, and this is where we run into the biggest obstacle on Spa Creek. Is there is a big mud hole at the top, and in one of my old videos on my other channel, this is the hole that ripped my factory skid plate off, shoved it into my belt, and knocked the belt off as we started the trip. So fortunately, they do come in every once in a while and fill it in. Somebody came in and dug out the rock. They drain it every now and then. So this particular time through wasn't as near as bad as the first time that I went through it. So that camera is mounted on the front bumper, so it's deep enough that it got above my front bumper. And then now there's actually a second hole just past that. It's not as deep, but it does have a little bit more of a steep drop into it. So Jason's truck actually has a 4-inch lift on it, but it is a rough country lift. And what it does is it lowers the bottom brackets for the suspension mounts. So you do get 4 more inches off the ground. However, where those brackets are do stick down, and you'll see as we come out of this hole here that those lower brackets basically act like a bulldozer pushing mud anytime that we have a low clearance like this. And Jason's truck scraped right here and in many other places on this trip, and in fact meant that we had to tow him out once because it was just bulldozing the mud. So if you're gonna put suspension on your truck, do it right the first time and don't waste the money so that you have to go back and do it again. Blake, your first time on Spa Creek?
Oh, it was great, especially with these new tires.
Yeah, and having that bumper off.
Yes.
He's got his bumper taken off because Jason and I were hitting bumper back there.
Yeah, I didn't feel anything. Now, since my leaf springs are flat as
Yeah, I know, mine are too.
I'm bumping, but
Oh yeah, you are sitting low.
we're also on a hill. But
Did you? Yeah, you were dragging the bumper a lot.
You plug in your trailer.
Oh. You don't need that anyway, it's fine.
Doesn't work anyway.
Oh yeah, you did.
It doesn't work anyway.
What'd you catch that on?
Him and I are catching a lot.
Are you really?
If he catches it, I catch it. Because mine. Well, he did. One reason Blake's not catching because he didn't have a bumper.
Yeah.
But
Oh yeah, look at that, dude. That's awesome. Heck yeah. We need a hitch skid.
So that gets us to the end of Spa Creek as we're headed out up the hill to get back to the main road, which will take us down to Pumpkin Hollow, which is the next trail on our list. We got to chit-chatting on our radios and missed our turn, but we ended up on this road with a beautiful view, and then I got to make fun of Jason and his 15-point turns in his Titan again. And then as I got turned around, they were all gone, so I got to test out my brand new rebuilt Rad Flow shocks here on a little section, and got a little bit of air up here, and those things were smooth as butter. I am amazed at the difference having them rebuilt. They came on the truck when I bought it, and they were pretty worn out. They had twice the service life on them, But I sent them into Radflow. Those guys rebuilt them for me right before the trip and got them back, and we got a little bit of air right there. And they are smooth. I could not be more happy with them. And those are the ones I put on for a Titan swap. Be sure to join us for episode 2 as we head down Pumpkin Hollow and we show you the tough spots and all the views, and we add a few more scratches to the old skid plates. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We've got lots more content coming, and we are excited about our new channel. We hope you join us. We will see you in episode 2 on Whiskey City Overland.